Hey everyone, with the release of their next gaming handheld, the A1 Unicorn, ZPG, short for Z Pocket Game, has been making waves. The gadget, which costs $217, made quite a sensation when it was listed on AliExpress recently. It turns out, though, that this listing was actually made by an unaffiliated third party, and not ZPG. This caused some uncertainty among prospective purchasers. ZPG made the official announcement of the A1 Unicorn in November 2023, but up until this point, not much was known about the gadget. With the mistaken listing on AliExpress, ZPG took the opportunity to clarify that the real deal will be revealed soon on their official site. They hinted at a potential release on AliExpress by the end of the month, possibly with a more competitive price than what had been circulating. In response to the buzz surrounding the mistaken listing, ZPG has advised interested customers to stay tuned to their official website for accurate and up-to-date information regarding the A1 Unicorn's availability and pricing. While they haven't specified an exact date for the release, they did mention that the A1 Unicorn should become available on AliExpress by the end of the month. There's also a possibility that it will be offered at a more competitive price than what was initially circulating in the listings. For those eager to get their hands on the A1 Unicorn, ZPG's recommendation is to wait for the official launch details to ensure they are purchasing the genuine product. Keeping an eye on ZPG's official channels will provide the most reliable updates regarding when and where the A1 Unicorn will be up for grabs. So, what can gamers expect from the A1 Unicorn? The device boasts some impressive specs, including a Helio G99 chip, 6 GB of RAM, and a 4500 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support. The 4-inch square screen with a resolution of 720 by 720 pixels promises a visually engaging gaming experience. Apart from the A1 Unicorn, ZPG also hinted at a different gadget known as the Game Bubble. Fans are interested about what more ZPG has planned for its catalog of video games, while facts regarding this new product are still being kept under wraps. ZPG suggests waiting for the formal launch to confirm authenticity, and offers patience to people who are eagerly awaiting the A1 Unicorn. With the device scheduled to begin shipping in mid-May 2024, gamers will have something to look forward to in the upcoming months. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.